The men of all races and cultures began the genesis of the crop by sowing the seeds of the awesome founder's agriculture. Undoubtedly, the sustenance of mankind is in large part to the products offered by the field. The supply in the markets is the relentless fantasy of exquisite colors and fruit flavors that generous earth gives us. Today, techniques and advances in farm productivity lead to be in line with the demands that the complex world of agriculture requires. Agronomy, as the body of knowledge applicable to the cultivation of field and constant biological and genetic research of plants, have resulted in organic chemicals, which are the standard in the new crop model highlighted in the modern world. That is why one of the options that is now within reach is a product leader in the agronomic market and is considered the #1 BIOLGROW plants. BIOLGROW plants. It is a product of 100% organic origin. BIOLGROW plants definitely brings macro and micro elements valuable for cultivation. As organic matter, this stimulates healthy root growth. In addition, it has a significant impact on the reproduction of beneficial soil microorganisms. When applying the product in your field or fields, the results are decisive in promoting soil microbial flora, besides to promoting health and vigor of the roots and increase stress defense mechanisms. The product helps dramatically by absorbing water and nutrients. Substantially promotes a better and optimal root development in your area. It helps in a modular way to thickening of the stems as well as providing a long shelf life. BIOLGROW plants contains organic matter which is reflected as Trichoderma spp, Bacillus subtilis, and Microrhiz spp, beneficial microorganisms for crop. It is applied as follows in fruit crops like apple, peach, pear, banana, and citrus. The dose to use per hectare is 2 to 3 liters and the time of application is in production. Same as in crops of coffee and tobacco, it's 2 to 3 liters in production. In vegetables like chile, cauliflower, cabbage, broccoli, lettuce, tomato, onion, garlic, melon, cucumber, watermelon, and pumpkins, 2 to 3 liters per hectare and 2 applications during the growing season. In grasses like corn, sorghum, oats, rice, and barley, from 2 to 3 liters per hectare applied to pre-planting. Legumes like alfalfa, beans, and peas, 2 to 3 liters per hectare during development. Strawberry applied 2 to 3 liters per hectare after transplantation. Ornamental, 2 to 3 liters per hectare applied at the time of planting and during development.
El BIOLGROW Plantes tiene una respuesta rapidísima en algunas, sobre todo en la segunda etapa de crecimiento, es decir, una vez que la planta ya tiene un mes, notamos que el desarrollo es extraordinario en el segundo mes. nos gustó muchísimo y no nos ha causado, como les vuelvo a decir, como son productos orgánicos, no dejan ningún residuo de ningún tipo. Pueden usar en tomate, lo pueden usar en pepino, lo pueden usar en chile y son productos que se pueden comer libremente. En este caso pues son árboles maderables, pero pues yo lo recomiendo ampliamente.
BIOLGROW plants, the number one to get abundant crops. With BIOLGROW plants, everything grows. The constant exploitation and degradation of soils makes the process of cultivation to not provide the expected performance, which is why we present to you a product that supports the highly secure and reliable results nutrient plants. Nutrients Plants is the optimum liquid soil improvement. Nutrient Plants is recommended primarily for soils of low sulfur content. The formulation of this product is complemented by an element such as calcium. The meticulous investigation has resulted in deficiencies of calcium in the soil for cultivation. Generating cases presented several problems, including reduced radicular development, the formation of dark roots, short and fraction, chlorosis and poor growth of stems and leaves, such as the death of meristem, one end rot in fruits, structural weakness, yellowing of leaf beans, dark spots development, premature lateral buds, as well as the incomplete formation of the fruit. The benefits make a constant when improving substantially the structure of the plant. It improves plant resistance to salinity and gets a greater penetration of water in compacted soil. It stimulates the growth of plants and beneficial soil organisms. It strongly reduces the plant's wilt in hot weather, reducing the absorption of water. For its high sulfur content, it has the function of fungicide, acaricide, and is useful to control arador citrus, leaf spot, red spider, chawistle, powdery mildew, anthracnose, scab, among other mites, are eliminated by direct contact of the product and its fumigant action caused by fumes of sulfur. In fruit crops like apple, peach, pear, banana, and citrus, 2 liters per hectare and apply in production. Coffee and tobacco, 1 liter per hectare in production. In grasses like maize, sorghum, oats, rye, rice, and barley, 1 liter per hectare requires 2 applications, the first at the time of planting to the second vegetative phase. In legumes like alfalfa, beans, peas, and broad beans, 1 liter per hectare at the time of planting or after transplantation and during the crop development. Strawberry and ornamental, 1 liter per hectare at the time of planting or after transplantation and during the crop development.
Es el Nutrient Plant, que es un producto que nosotros le dimos 2 usos. Uno, se lo aplicamos directamente al sustrato. Hicimos una prueba donde utilizamos un fertilizante químico, donde utilizamos abono de lombricomposta y este producto, el Nutrient Plant, que es un mejorador de suelos líquido. La gran ventaja que encontramos es que con la presencia de azufre y de calcio elimina en muchos casos algunos hongos que en años anteriores se habían presentado aquí. nos gustó mucho porque pues dejamos de usar pesticidas que en otros años lo habíamos utilizado, ¿no? Básicamente es el uso que le hemos estado dando aquí con nosotros.
ZeniGrow has been designed and formulated to be applied foliar or interstitial applications. In foliar applications, the main advantages to use are increasing the rate of penetration and absorption of the agrochemicals with which to mix. Their characteristics also help to increase the dispersion and solubility of wettable powders to be dissolved in water. It significantly reduces water loss by increasing retention in sandy type soils. It contains an important pest repellent action as scale, whitefly, mealybug, thrips, and fall armyworm. ZeniGrow, a product that can be mixed in insecticides, fungicides, desiccants, defoliants at a dose of 1 to 2 milliliters for every gallon used. In plant nutrients and growth regulators, 1 to 2 milliliters for every gallon used. In pre-emergent herbicides and liquid fertilizers to the soil is to add 500 to 750 milliliters per hectare.
Este ZeniGrow que lo hemos usado en diferentes cosas. Aquí lo recomiendan como un surfactante y adherente, pero hemos visto que también controla algunas plagas. Sobre todo es un repelente excelente para pulgón, para una que otra arañita que aparece por ahí, y nos ha dado un gran resultado.
ZeniGrow, an effective and decisive product in the productive field. We know that our work is closely linked to Mexican agriculture, outlining a future increasingly promising and ensuring optimal results in cost benefits for you. BIOLGROW plants, nutrients plants, and ZeniGrow are products for your field of action.